In today's digital world, keeping users engaged is one of the biggest challenges businesses face. With constant distractions and overwhelming content, businesses need effective ways to capture their audience's attention and drive engagement. One of the most powerful tools for this is push notifications, and OneSignal is a leading platform that makes it easy to send targeted, timely, and automated notifications across web, mobile, and email channels. OneSignal is a feature rich push notification service used by businesses, marketers, and developers to re engage users, deliver important updates, and drive conversions. Whether you're managing an e commerce store, a news website, or a mobile app, OneSignal provides an easy to use interface with powerful automation and segmentation tools to help you send the right message at the right time. This video will walk you through the key features of OneSignal, how it can benefit your business, and why it's a great choice for running successful push notification campaigns. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the multi channel messaging. OneSignal supports push notifications across mobile apps, web browsers, emails, SMS, and even in app messaging. This allows businesses to reach their audience on multiple platforms without needing separate tools for each channel. This expands your reach and ensures important messages are delivered through the user's preferred communication method. Another key feature is the advanced segmentation and targeting. With OneSignal, you can segment users based on demographics, behaviors, location, or previous interactions. This ensures that notifications are personalized and relevant, increasing user engagement and reducing notification fatigue. Higher engagement rates due to precise targeting, leading to better conversions and retention. Another key feature is the automated and scheduled notifications. OneSignal allows businesses to set up automated notifications based on triggers like user activity, time based events, or abandoned carts. You can also schedule messages to be sent at optimal times based on user behavior. This saves time and ensures timely delivery, leading to more effective engagement without manual effort. Another key feature is the A B testing and performance analytics. OneSignal provides in depth analytics and A B testing capabilities, allowing you to test different messaging strategies, analyze open rates, click through rates, and optimize campaigns for better performance. Data driven decision making helps improve notification effectiveness and boosts engagement rates. Another key feature is the easy integration with apps and websites. OneSignal offers seamless integration with popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, React, Firebase, and various mobile development frameworks. With its API and SDK support, developers can quickly integrate OneSignal into their applications. This reduces development time and makes implementation straightforward for businesses of all sizes. So, why is OneSignal a great choice for push notification campaigns? OneSignal stands out as a top push notification platform because of its ease of use, scalability, and powerful automation tools. Unlike traditional marketing channels that require heavy investment, OneSignal provides a cost effective way to engage users in real time. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, OneSignal's flexible features allow businesses to create personalized messaging campaigns that drive higher engagement. Another key advantage of OneSignal is its data driven approach. The platform's built in analytics and A B testing tools enable marketers to experiment with different messaging strategies and refine their campaigns based on real performance data. This ensures that businesses are not just sending notifications, but also optimizing them for maximum effectiveness. Moreover, OneSignal's multi channel support ensures that businesses can reach users wherever they are, whether on a mobile device, desktop, or email. The ability to automate notifications and personalize them based on user behavior adds another layer of efficiency, helping businesses scale their messaging without increasing manual work. So, with its seamless integration capabilities, rich media support, and strong focus on compliance, OneSignal is a versatile and reliable platform for businesses looking to improve user engagement and retention through push notifications. So basically, OneSignal is a powerful push notification platform that helps businesses connect with their audience in real time. With its user friendly interface, advanced targeting options, automation capabilities, and detailed analytics, it provides everything needed to create effective notification campaigns. So, whether you're looking to re engage users, drive conversions, or simply keep customers informed, OneSignal's multi channel approach ensures your messages reach the right people at the right time. So, by leveraging automation, segmentation, and rich media notifications, businesses can boost engagement, increase retention, and maximize the impact of their messaging strategy. So, if you're looking for a reliable, scalable, and feature rich push notification solution, OneSignal is an excellent choice to elevate your marketing and communication efforts. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.